Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of No Code Cult. On this channel, we discuss no code platforms where you can build your web apps without using any coding. So today we will be discussing Glide. Glide is a no code platform where you can build your web app using database, which are Excel sheets or any other sheet to build your app without using any code. So to begin with it, first you will need is to sign up and create our account. So either you can sign in with your Google or sign in with your email address. After you build your account, it will ask for your name and what will you use Glide for. So I'll go with personal use and click on continue. So now it will name your team and just click on I agree to the terms. So to build your web app, either you can use template, these are the suggestions, or you can start from scratch. Just click on new project and then click on continue. So it will ask you for the database where will the source will be. Either you can use Google Sheet if you have a sheet already, or a Excel, or Airtable, or just Glide table. So I'll go with Glide table and click on create. After that, it will start building your app, and in few seconds it will be complete. So these are basic information. Click on close. And now let me introduce you to this window, the editing window. So it basically has three tabs in it. One is data editor, other is layout, and the next one is settings. So in layout, you can see the layout of your app, how it will look, or you can choose whether to play and select mode. These are two modes available. So you can see how your simple app works. This is the default template that is given to you. You can change anything in it and edit it. So this is how your app works. You can go to settings to change its appearance, name icon, table, and configure its security and manage the data source and billing. So to change the theme, you can just select the color of your theme simply by this. You can change its typography and you can change the tab labels also. So this is how you can change the theme of your app. And then go to data editor. This is the data editor. The on the left hand side you can see the table, different tables. These are themes, categories, and users. You can add any new table when you want. You can choose its type. Is it Google Sheets or a normal Glide table or a table or a Microsoft Excel? So if you have a table already, you can just import it here. So what does the table do? Table just contains the items that you want to pick and display it onto your apps, and even fix its functions. So here in table we have rows and columns. So row defines the first row defines what will be the data in that column. So for like name, this row name, you can see that the data it will contain is text. It will already typed as text. So first row of every data is only specification what that column will contain, and in the column the actual data is stored. So you can change the data type by just clicking edit and change the type whatever you want, like email, phone number, emojis, text, what whichever you choose, it will just work like that. And you can create more columns also by clicking on this add button, and you can delete those columns. Just like I can add this column, new column, which will contain text, and click on done. And if I want to delete this column, I can just click on delete. Last a pop-up and just click on it and it will delete your column. And in the bottom tab, you can see the data source, that is admin's team for now. It has named us. Going back to the layout, on the left hand tab, you can see the different tables that are used, different tabs. On the left hand side, you can see the different tabs. And here is the menu option, like in category. You can see user profile is shown, and then on screen is just the screen that you are seeing, and what are the all things you are seeing will be pointed out here. So for example, the chart is showing here, and you can add a component in a scene by clicking on add button. You can add whichever component you want. So for example, if I want to add an image, I can just drag and drop it here, or I can drag and drop it here. So I will add an image above charts. So this is a default image, and its configuration will open in the right hand side window. So you can see the category image. I can upload image or fetch it from a URL. So I'll click on upload image. I'll just upload a image, dummy image. Glide prefers to use its own glide upload image option other than fetching URL. So now the image is uploaded. I can edit its height, size, or ratio. I can choose whether it will fill the area or show the whole image. I can change its style. If it is S to S, then it will occupy screen, whole screen. And if it is insert with content, then it will only fill the page from where the from where the block is specified for the content. And these are overlay options, and you can add action to the image also. You can add all these actions, and you can even create new action. So you can either click on open link and choose the category as category image and browse or web view. So this will open the category image link. You can even type in the custom link, whatever you want, or you can go with the default. So this is how you can add a component in a screen. Everything you add in a screen is basically called a component in Glide. As you can see, I clicked on the image and it has opened the link attached to it. So we'll go back to editing our layout. And this is the separator, and this is inline text. So this is how you can edit the layout. In this window, you can edit the charts. You can click on it. You can duplicate it, add a column, find uses, make row owner, and delete this also. So let's make a app using a template. Now we have seen the structure of Glide and how you can edit it. So now we can use a template directly. So I will be using a meal plan. Just click on the template and click on copy template. What it will do is to copy the template to your workplace, which I have introduced you just now. Click on copy. This will copy the database. So this the workplace remains same as usual. This is your database, this is your layout, and this is the setting where you can change the theme. So here in the database, you can see different meals, foods, recipes, and week. And if you want to edit a app, but you want to experiment it, so you do not want it to affect your current app. So you can do is click on the three dots and click on duplicate. So it will duplicate the whole app and copy the sheet if you want to change values on your database too, not just the layout, and duplicate the app. So what it will do, it will create a new copy of your app, and now you can change and experiment it on the app, which will not be affected in your main app that you have already published or if the users are using it. So this is as it is written, copy of meal plan. So this is a new app that I have just created. So now I can change whatever I want in it. This will act as a copy of that app and I can publish it whenever I want. So to publish, either you can upgrade your plan if you want to purchase it, and for now Glide offers free publishing. So I'll just hit on publish. So now my app is published and the QR and the link is shown here. So you can just copy this link or scan this QR using your phone. So I'll just click on this link and it will open in the new window. So Glide apps basically work on web pages or websites and they live on web. So to add this as an application to your phone, you can either choose to add to home screen option in Chrome in your phone, or in iOS you can choose that same option in Safari browser. So this is how your app looks like. It will ask for email address for verification. Just click on continue after entering your mail and it will ask for your PIN that is sent to your mail, and then click on sign in. So you can see this is how your app looks on your phone. A simple app. You can sign out or see the about section where you will see your details. This is how you can publish your Glide app, and this is how you can edit it. You can change the styles and customize it according to your own needs. So now that your app is published, you can change its permission. Either you can invite user or you can public it for public profile. So what the public profile does is it will publish it to the public. Like for private, only users you choose can access. You have to enter their email and send the invite, and then after that you can log in. And if you click on public, then it will only require to sign in to your app that we just did, and they can use the app and explore. So this is free for right now in Glide, and you can just go on to exploring your app, and then if you want to change anything you can go to the screen option and you can click on the tab. And if you want to go to the database that is connected to this directly, so you can go to screens. I have clicked on title for now, and I'll go to image, and you can see that this title is coming from a database. So to see the database I can just click on this arrow marked here, and it will directly open me the database from which that text was coming from, so I can see where that text is linked to. This is how You can make your own app using Glide and publish it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to No Code Cult.